Today we're going to look at a 2021 Toyota Camry. You can see that the maintenance required is on. We had our maintenance performed, but they forgot to reset this, so this stays on the whole time while you're driving. So we definitely want to reset this. So the first thing you want to do is press this this kind of it looks like a U-turn button. So we'll press that. You then it'll go to vehicle settings. Then you'll go ahead and let's go back to that. Vehicle settings, press the OK. Then you'll go down to where you'll arrow down to where it says scheduled maintenance. And then it says push to reset scheduled maintenance data. So we'll press OK. We waited too long, so now we got to go back to it. So we go back to scheduled maintenance. We're going to press the OK. And it says reset data will go up for yes, and we'll press OK again. And now the reset is complete. Now you'll notice it says not ready to drive. So what we're going to want to do is put this on the, get it out of that system. So where it says no messages, we're going to push this button here. And then you can see up there, we'll just arrow over. We want to go to where it's the I. And now you'll notice it'll show you your speed. And now you're all ready to go. Again, thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.